Hello everyone, I'm Shakti Prasad Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel ItBloom. Here you can get conceptual knowledge in computer. If you are new in this channel, then please like, subscribe and press the bell icon and share videos of this channel. Now without wasting any more time, let me start.
Hello students, today let us talk about hardware and software. Children, now you have understood that computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of jobs. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. The two basic parts of a computer system are hardware and software. Let us first talk about the hardware. The physical parts of a computer which you can touch and see are called hardware. A human body consists of different parts. The outer parts of a body are visible, but the parts like brain, lungs, heart, etc. which are inside cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer, we can see the parts of the hardware that are outside. For example, monitor, keyboard, etc. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. You can see them only when you open the body of a CPU box. For example, hard disk, CPU chips, etc. Hardware of a computer is further classified into three parts: input, output, and storage devices. Let us now talk about each of these in details. Input devices are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers or pictures into a computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. A keyboard has the keys to enter data and instructions to the computer. A scanner copies a picture of text printed on a paper into the computer. A mouse is used to point, select and move the objects on the screen. A joystick is used for playing games. It helps to move the items on the screen. The light pen looks like a pen that can be used on a special pad. Whatever you write on this pad can be seen on the monitor. A microphone is used to record a voice and other sounds into the computer. Okay, let's have a quick quiz. Which part of a body acts as an input unit? Now let us learn about the output devices. The devices which display the information and results are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, etc. We have learned about these devices in the previous chapter. The monitor looks like a TV screen. Whatever you type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. It also displays the processed information. The printer prints the output which you see on the computer screen on paper. Speakers are used to hear music and sound stored in a computer. Alright, let me now explain the storage devices. The devices which are used for storing data are called storage devices. Hard disk is the main storage device which stores all the work we do on a computer. Other important devices like CD, pen drive and DVD are also used to store information. CD stands for compact disc. It is a flat, shiny disc that stores a lot of information. Hard disk is a device which stores a huge amount of data and information. It is present inside the CPU box. Pen drive is very small in size, but can store and transfer data from one computer to another. It can easily be handled. Okay, now we shall talk about the software. Software is that part of computer which cannot be seen and touched. To make the hardware work, we need to have software in it. Let us understand this with the help of given examples. Children, all of you must have seen and used a music system. The parts like speakers, cassettes, tapes, etc. which you can touch and see are the hardware. Can you see the songs recorded on the tape? No, because that is software. A A CD is hardware, but the songs or movies which are stored in it are software, as they cannot be touched and seen. Likewise, a TV is hardware and the programs that you watch on it are software. Students, do you know who is he? He is Alan Turing. He is well known for his great contribution for modern computer. He is considered as the father of modern computer. Let us go back to the working of a computer. Which of the following steps is done by software? Yes, processing is done by software. It takes the input from the user, processes it, and displays the output on the monitor. Thus, we can define software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work. There are two types of software: system software and application software. Students, let me tell you that Lady Ada Lovelace is regarded as the first computer programmer. Let us find out what a system software is. System software is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. Operating system is a part of system software that makes a computer run. It also manages all the input and output operation. It manages the link between the different parts of the computer and the user. Let us understand the operating system with the help of given example. There is a car in a house. It has petrol, engine and wheels. But it is not moving. When will the car move? It will only move when the driver starts it. So the driver is the operator of the car. Similarly, operating system is the driver of a computer which makes it run. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. Students, let me share an interesting fact. Intel is the world's largest processor company. Alright students, quickly tell me who acts as the operating system in your school. Now let us find out what application software is. The software that does a specific type of work is called application software. Let's understand this with the help of an example. You have a juicer in your house. What do you do with that? You can only extract juice of fruits and vegetables in it. It indicates that you can do a specific type of job with one machine. There are different types of application software that helps in doing specific types of job. MS Paint is used for drawing pictures. Games are used for entertainment. WordPad is used for typing and making correction in the text. Calculator is used for doing calculations.
Subscribe my channel. Please subscribe it now. Like it and press the bell icon and share as many as you can.